Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to share another techniques. Please subscribe, click the notification bell, also follow my Facebook, TikTok. I remember this technique when I was 3 years old. My grandpa was teaching me this. Please be careful to do this. Magdandaan po sa pagkain nito. Again, to all beginners. Strategy 1, step. Okay. Yan. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. So guys, shout out to all my student Coast Guard. Guys, mas student natin sa Coast Guard dyan. Kaway-kaway naman. So guys, say hi to shout out all sa troopers, sa mga armies, sa mga ISR natin dyan, mga Scout Rangers, shout out all of you guys, also the special forces. Ayos na. Guys, pag nag-official po kami kasi tapos na guys yung kanyang mahina na kasi yung memory nito. Yung kasama nag-request na mahaba daw ang videos, hindi po magagawa, mahina lang po kategori nitong official phone. So guys, no? Yan guys, sana mag-comment naman. Ayan. Double laser technique. This is a 12 kinds of techniques. The rope. You know basic. Guys, no? I want to say hello to all veterans warriors. To all veterans warriors. Groups of my grandpa before. I think may pa at all families. Thank you so much guys to sharing with this. Yes, I will share this technique into the next generation's technique. Yes, come on, it's my talent. Yeah. Yes guys, no, nasa labas sila, marami sila kaya hindi sila pwede makapasakip sa loob. Okay, yes guys, no. So guys, this is stamina para sa mga papaliit ng ng kanilang mga tiyan. Yan. So guys, strategy techniques. Yes, guys, no? Thank you so much guys. I will share this technique. Galing sa aking grandpa na nais kong lubos na sinishare sa inyo. Nais kong makabalik sa aming probinsya Nay. So ganun guys. Padalaw ko nilang mga puntod. Ayan sa list na. And also may matter. Left. Years ago. Ayan. Thank you so much guys. Ayan. High five. Nice. Use my talent. Thank you so much guys. I share again more techniques. Guys, hindi ko na magtagagalan dahil yung cellphone ko is gano'n na. Thank you so much. Ayan. Welcome to my vlog.